Now listen here. Once this curd is prepared, what are the beneficial aspects of this curd? What are the uses of this curd? Listen, now this curd is having lactobacillus, right? Now what is the use of that lactobacillus which is present in the curd? Lactobacillus present in curd. Lactobacillus present in curd, what it is doing? Number one, improves nutritional quality of the curd. What it is improving? Nutritional quality of the curd. Sir, how this lactobacillus improves nutritional quality of curd, sir? Actually, this lactobacillus bacteria, it increases vitamin B12. Increases vitamin B12. Therefore, lactobacillus which is present in curd increases vitamin B12, by which the nutritional quality of the curd has increased. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, right? Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Next, number 2. See, daily out of 3 meals, at least 1 meal we have to take with curd. This is our forefathers saying. Why, sir? Because this curd contains lactobacillus. Once this lactobacillus enters into our stomach, it kills pathogenic microorganisms. Therefore, lactobacillus present in curd kills pathogenic microorganisms in our stomach. Therefore, lactobacillus present in curd improves nutritional quality of the curd by increasing vitamin B12, that is a cyanocobalamin. Number 2, lactobacillus kills pathogenic microorganisms in our stomach. It means this lactobacillus is a friendly bacteria. Yes or no? Lactobacillus is a friendly bacteria because it is improving the nutritional quality of the curd. It is killing the pathogenic microorganisms present in our stomach. Therefore, lactobacillus is a friendly bacteria. Lactobacillus is a friendly bacteria. Such friendly bacteria used for preparation. Such friendly bacteria used for preparation of therapeutics. Used for preparation of what? Therapeutics. For betterment of human health. For betterment of human health. For betterment of human health. Leads to concept of probiotics. Leads to concept of what? Probiotics. See, this lactobacillus bacteria, it is a friendly bacteria, right? Such friendly bacteria, they are used for preparation of therapeutics. Therapeutics means nothing but a chemical which is used for treatment, or therapeutics means nothing but a therapy. Therapeutics can be a drug also. Therefore, such friendly bacteria used for preparation of therapeutics. Why we are using this therapeutics? It is used for betterment of human health. This concept, it leads to what? Probiotics. Leads to what? Probiotics. What is the meaning of probiotics? Probiotics. Probiotics means nothing but a live microbial food supplements. What is the meaning of probiotics? Probiotics means live microbial food supplements. This statement is very, very important. Probiotics, nothing but live microbial food supplements. Live microbial food supplements, nothing but probiotics. Therefore, probiotics means live microbial food supplements. This is concerned to preparation of curd from milk. Now go for number 2, dough. In this topic, microbes in household products, we completed the first one, that is the preparation of curd from milk. Now go for second one, what it is? Dough. Sir, what is the meaning of dough? Dough means nothing but wet flour. What is the meaning of dough? Wet flour. Take flour and mix water, then this flour becomes wet, right? That wet flour is called as a dough. In this topic, we are going to discuss about dough that is used in the preparation of dosha, idli and bread. In this topic, we are going to discuss about dough that is used in the preparation of dosha, idli and what? Bread. Now go for the first part. How this dough is prepared? First, we are going to take a black gram. Which gram? Black gram. As well as rice. Therefore, what we are taking here? Black gram and rice. We are soaking this black gram and rice in water. We are soaking this black gram and rice in what? Water. After a certain period of time, we will drain out the water. It means we are going to remove the water. And then we are going to grind this black gram and rice. Therefore, first we are soaking this black gram and rice in water. Then after certain period of time, we are draining out the water. It means we are removing the water from black gram and rice. And after then, we are grinding this black gram and rice. If you grind this black gram and rice, then we are going to get wet flour. What we are going to get? Wet flour. Then what we are doing? We are taking this wet flour in a container. Therefore, black gram and rice. Getting wet flour. This wet flour we are taking in one container and we are going to close its lid. And overnight we are going to leave it. Yes or no? During this period of time, what happens means fermentation takes place. In this wet flour, what takes place? Fermentation takes place. Fermentation means which respiration? Anaerobic respiration. But anaerobic respiration is of how many types? 2 types. What are they? Alcoholic fermentation as well as acid fermentation. Sir, here which fermentation takes place? Alcoholic fermentation takes place. Which fermentation takes place here? Alcoholic fermentation takes place. Sir, what are the organisms that are involved in this alcoholic fermentation, sir? Number 1, Leuconostoc. What is the organism name? Leuconostoc. And second one is Streptococcus. What is the second one? Streptococcus. Therefore, Leuconostoc and Streptococcus, these are the two organisms which are involved in this alcoholic fermentation process. When this alcoholic fermentation takes place, along with ethyl alcohol, what is produced? Carbon dioxide is produced. Yes or no? Therefore, what produced? Along with ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH, along with ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide produced. What is produced? Carbon dioxide is produced. Due to the production of carbon dioxide, we get a puffed up appearance for dough. Due to carbon dioxide production, due to which production? Carbon dioxide production, dough gets a puffed up appearance. Therefore, puffed up appearance of dough is due to the production of what? Carbon dioxide. Who produced this carbon dioxide? Leuconostoc and Streptococcus. By which process? Alcoholic fermentation process. Therefore, by alcoholic fermentation, this Leuconostoc and Streptococcus, they produced carbon dioxide. Due to the production of carbon dioxide, the dough got which appearance? Puffed up appearance. The dough got puffed up appearance due to the production of carbon dioxide. Now listen here. In the preparation of this dough, which is used for making dosha and idli, which organisms are involved? Leuconostoc and Streptococcus. What are the two organisms involved here? Leuconostoc and Streptococcus. These two are bacteria. What are these two organisms? These two organisms are bacteria. Bacteria means they are prokaryotic, right? They are prokaryotic. It means they comes under kingdom what? Monera. They comes under kingdom what? Monera. This Leuconostoc and Streptococcus both are gram positive bacteria. These two are which bacteria? Gram positive bacteria. Leuconostoc, Streptococcus, both are gram positive bacteria. Both are gram positive bacteria. Now go for the second part. That is dough used for preparing bread. Dough used for preparing bread. Dough used for bread preparation. Dough used for which preparation? Bread preparation. To prepare a dough that is used for bread preparation, to prepare dough that is used for bread preparation, a microorganism is involved by name yeast. Therefore, what is involved here? Yeast is involved. Sir, yeast is a algae or fungi? Yeast is a fungi. Which fungi? It is a unicellular fungi. Yeast is which fungi? Unicellular fungi. Sir, fungi comes under which kingdom? It comes under kingdom fungi. It comes under kingdom what? Fungi, right? Sir, it is prokaryotic or eukaryotic? It is eukaryotic. Therefore, the dough that is used for bread preparation, in this dough which is used for bread preparation, yeast is involved. Yeast is a unicellular fungi. Unicellular fungi, yeast. This yeast comes under kingdom fungi. This yeast is a eukaryotic organism. Therefore, in this dough preparation, which is used to prepare bread, a eukaryotic organism is involved. Which organism is involved? Eukaryotic organism is involved. Whereas if you take dough that is used to prepare a dosha and idli, in that dough preparation prokaryotic organisms are involved. That is a leuconostoc and streptococcus. Therefore, in that dough preparation, right, prokaryotic organisms are involved, whereas the dough that is used to prepare bread, eukaryotic organism is involved. Which eukaryotic organism? Yeast, nothing but unicellular fungi. Yeast is nothing but what? Unicellular fungi. Sir, this yeast, it undergoes which fermentation? This yeast, it undergoes alcoholic fermentation. Yeast undergoes alcoholic fermentation. Yeast undergoes which fermentation? Alcoholic fermentation. Sir, during alcoholic fermentation, what are produced? Number one, ethyl alcohol is produced as well as carbon dioxide is produced, right? Therefore, in this dough preparation, yeast is involved. This yeast undergoes which fermentation? Alcoholic fermentation. Due to this alcoholic fermentation, what and what are produced? Ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide are produced. Ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide are produced. Now, to make this bread, we have to bake it. Baking process. Baking means heating at high temperatures. Heating at high temperatures. When you heat it at high temperatures, this ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide evaporates. Therefore, during which process? Baking process. During which process? Baking process. During baking process, carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol evaporates. Therefore, what and what has evaporated? Ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide both are evaporated. Due to evaporation of ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide, bread becomes soft and porous. Therefore, what has become soft and porous? Bread becomes soft and porous. What has become soft and porous? The bread has become soft and porous. Sir, how this bread has become soft and porous? Due to evaporation of ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Sir, from where we got this ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide, sir? By alcoholic fermentation. Who is involved in this alcoholic fermentation, sir? Yeast is involved in this alcoholic fermentation. What is the scientific name of this yeast that is involved here, sir? We are discussing about the yeast that is involved in this process. The yeast which is involved in this process, its a scientific name I am writing here. Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. What is its scientific name? Saccharomyces or Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is the scientific name of the yeast that is involved in the preparation of bread. That's why we are calling this Saccharomyces cerevisiae as baker's yeast. Who is called as baker's yeast? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This yeast is called as baker's yeast. Sir, why we are calling this yeast as baker's yeast, sir? Because it is involved in baking process. Because it is involved in the preparation of bread. Bread is a product which is produced by baking process. Therefore, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, as this yeast is involved in the preparation of a baking product, that is bread, we are calling Saccharomyces cerevisiae as a baker's yeast. Thank you. In first year, we read that bacteria is the most abundant microorganism. What is the most abundant microorganism? Bacteria. Bacteria is the most abundant microorganism on earth. Who is the most abundant microorganism on earth? Bacteria. Bacteria is the most abundant microorganism on this earth. Is it okay? Right? Now take bacteria. If you grow this bacteria on nutrient medium, we are growing bacteria on what? Nutrient medium. Sir, where we have to take this nutrient medium? This nutrient medium is taken in a petri dish. Petri dish. Sir, what is the meaning of this petri dish? Petri dishes are also called as culture plates. Petri dishes are also called as which plates? Culture plates. They are called as culture plates. They are used for culturing microorganisms. What is the meaning of culturing? Growing. Therefore, take a petri dish or take a culture plate. In that petri dish or culture plate, take nutrient medium, and on that nutrient medium, if you grow this bacteria produces colonies. What produces colonies? Bacteria produces colonies. Can we call that colonies as bacterial colonies? Bacterial colonies. Therefore, this bacteria has produced bacterial colonies on the nutrient medium which has taken into a petri dish or into a culture plate. Is it okay? These bacterial colonies can be seen through our naked eyes. Seen through our naked eyes. Therefore, what can be seen through our naked eyes? These bacterial colonies can be seen through our naked eyes. Similarly, many fungi. When this many fungi, right, when they are grown on nutrient medium, when this fungi grown on what? Nutrient medium. Where we are taking this nutrient medium? We are taking this nutrient medium in a petri dish, right? Therefore, when we grow this fungi on a nutrient medium which was taken into a petri dish or a culture plate, this fungi also produces what? Colonies. We are calling that colonies as fungal colonies. What are such colonies called? As fungal colonies. These fungal colonies can be seen through our naked eyes. Seen or not seen? Seen. They are seen through our naked eyes. Can be seen through our naked eyes. Therefore, here what we did? We cultured bacteria and fungi. I already told you, culturing means nothing but growing microorganisms. Culturing means nothing but growing microorganisms. Which microorganisms we cultured here? Bacteria and fungi. Which microorganisms we cultured here? Bacteria and fungi. These are microorganisms we are culturing here. Yes or no? Right? Now, can we call this bacterial colonies and fungal colonies as bacterial culture and fungal cultures? Yes. These bacterial cultures and fungal cultures, they are used to study microorganisms. Therefore, what are used to study microorganisms? These bacterial and fungal cultures. What and what? Bacterial and fungal cultures. Bacterial and fungal cultures. Bacterial and fungal cultures are used to study microorganisms. Which microorganisms? We cultured bacteria and fungi. Therefore, these cultures of bacteria and fungi are used to study which microorganisms? Bacteria and fungi. Which microorganisms? Bacteria and fungi.